Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape Seat Belt Warning Light issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A seat belt warning light in the Ford Escape is commonly described as the indicator staying on after the belt is fastened, illuminating intermittently while driving, or appearing without an obvious reason. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive data indicate that seat belt warning light behavior can vary across Ford Escape model years and configurations, depending on restraint system design, sensor inputs, and control logic. One verified cause involves seat belt latch sensor operation. The latch contains a switch that detects whether the belt is buckled, and wear or internal malfunction can cause incorrect status signals. Another confirmed cause relates to occupant detection or weight sensing behavior on applicable models. If the system detects weight on the seat but receives inconsistent input, the warning light may remain active. Electrical connection integrity is also a documented factor. Loose connectors, wiring strain under seats, or intermittent electrical contact can disrupt signals between sensors and the control module. Restraint control module monitoring behavior is another verified consideration. The module continuously evaluates seat belt and occupancy signals, and irregular data or stored fault conditions can trigger the warning indicator. Seat belt pretensioner or related component condition is an additional confirmed aspect. If the system detects an abnormal signal related to restraint components, the warning light may illuminate as a precaution. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include objects placed on the seat, recent interior work affecting wiring, or temporary signal interruptions. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include checking seat belt latch operation, inspecting wiring and connectors under the seats, scanning restraint system fault codes, and verifying sensor inputs. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Escape seat belt warning light issues are resolved through latch sensor repair or wiring correction rather than replacement of major restraint components. Outcomes vary by model year, restraint system configuration, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford Escape seat belt warning light activation is typically linked to latch sensor behavior, occupant detection input, electrical connection issues, control module monitoring logic, or restraint component signaling. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.